What size is it?
I had to guess, I'd say.
Carl, Stan the Man, John the Moth, Chad, Chris, and Chris's son-in-law. Is the camera on?
Look up. Yeah.
Good first? Yeah. You gotta give it, you gotta slip the clutch a lot in the sand.
Hey John, like this. Forgot my gloves. My fuck.
Ah! He's doing good, man. First time he's ever rode a manual dirt bike on the trail. Not too fast. Faster than we usually do with Carl.
Yeah.
I was like, dude, he's fucking getting
This is Carl's normal speed.
Dude, he's doing good, man.
He's pushing Carl's. What's
Oh
happening?
my god. It's way better than I thought. Cut my camera too.
I had it on. I got her. I got her. Hey, that was a good one, John. You rolled over in the sand. You didn't hit a tree or nothing. That's the best.
something the whole time I was riding. The whole time. I'm like, what?
It shouldn't hurt nothing, I don't
I don't
think.
give a fuck. It's a horn.
What?
That's why I was a little bit back from you. I fucking went into a corner too hot. Went to brake.
Ooh.
Broncoed up on a stump. Went straight for 3 trees.
I'm assuming this is where he said go straight. I'm assuming this is where he said go straight.
Trump sucks.
Straight, right?
What the fuck? It's got to be a side-by-side rider.
North loop, yeah, north loop two-hearted, so it'd be this way.
Huh?
He's seen it. I almost biffed it into 3 trees.
A fucking tree ran right into 2 trees.
That's why we call him Crash.
Oh, what? No.
Oh, I came this close from having a good crash. Get in trouble following you.
I think this is right. We're following the main road out there. There they are. Look, Chris, there's no bifter coming down the hill. I knew it was you, you fucker. Oh, there's no way that's Carl.